Hello dear students, my name is Ace, your online teacher for Empowerment Technology here in Benigno S. Aquino National High School, Senior High. Today we're going to do a simple mail merge. This will be very useful when you're sending a uniform mail towards multiple recipients like invites or promotions and things like that. For this process, we're going to use the Microsoft Word 2007 application. But of course, you can use other Microsoft Word versions and the process is pretty much just the same. But before we begin, let us pretend that we have already collected the information we need to do this process. I have prepared here a list of all the people we are supposed to send our letters to. I have their names, their positions, their companies, their addresses, and for this particular exercise, I'm going to use sir and ma'am only, sir for male and ma'am for female, as their title. Alright, so first thing we need to do is to open Microsoft Word application. To do this, we need to click on the Start button and then find All Programs, find Microsoft Office, click on Microsoft Office Word 2007. If it hasn't shown the edit window yet on your part, just press Ctrl N to create a new document. If it is already showing, just is in my case, then let us make this document a form letter. To make this document a form letter, all we need to do is go to Mailings, click on Start Mail Merge, and then click on Letters. Okay? Why did we have to do that? This will ensure that the current document is recognized by Microsoft Word application as the form letter. So once you have done the first step, you can start typing your document. Right? Let's start with the date, and then of course the name. And then for this exercise again, all I have to do is copy the ones I have already prepared and then paste it here to make it faster. So now I have placed everything that I have to change on all caps: the name, position, company, address line 1, address line 2, and then the title. Now we can start to save this. Save as, and then let's save it on desktop. And in this exercise I'm going to name it EMP Mail and save. Now that it is already saved, we can start to do typing our data list. Right? So what we're going to do is click on under the Mailings tab, click on Select Recipients, and then type New List. As you can see, there are preset headings already in this New Address List dialog box. Some of them we might never use in this particular exercise, so what we're going to do is to customize the columns. Right? We're going to remove all of these fields, and we're going to replace it with name, position, company, address 1, address 2, and then the title. So it would be easier for us to input our data. So to delete all of these field names, all we have to do is click on Delete and then press on Yes to confirm the action, and then delete, yes. And for this exercise, what I'm going to do is click on Delete, and then to press yes, all I have to do is press Y button on my keyboard. Then delete Y, 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 delete Y. Now we're going to add all of these field names. Add, then of course the name, click on OK, and add again, then position. Then I'm going to press enter for this part to confirm the action. Add, company, enter, add 1, enter, add 2, enter, add title, enter. Now I already have name, position, company, and then I just shortened it to add 1 and add 2 just to be quicker on this particular exercise. So click on OK. As you can see, the field names or the headings of this particular table has been replaced. Now we can start inputting all of these information here. Let us start with Andrew Shepard. He is the general manager. Silver Lining Company, 1 Hula Street, San Juan, Manila. And then I'm gonna call him sir. Next we have Mary Sepantaha, supervisor, Red Star Incorporated, 23 Jensen Street Avenue, Balara, Quezon City. Then I'm gonna call her ma'am. Tab. And then let's see, for the next entry we have Arnold Cortez, HR manager, Cinnamon Royale Ltd, 45 Winston Street, Ermita, Manila, sir. Next is Janine Reyes, marketing manager, HBC Inc., 75 UN Avenue, Ermita, Manila, and ma'am. And then we have Kenneth Della Pena, marketing manager, The Living Company, 80 San Luis Drive, Paliparan, Marikina, sir. So this is the last part that I'm going to input. I know I have like 8 people in my list, but just to be quicker again, I'm going to click on OK here to confirm this action, and I'm going to save it as emp data. Now these capitalized words, I'm going to replace them. As you can see here, the insert merge field is activated. So what I'm going to do, I'll just click on insert merge field and then click on name, and then you'll notice that it will be changed with a code that is enclosed with double arrows. So let's change position as well. Position, company, add 1, add 2, and then title. Now that you have already replaced it, you can click on preview results and you can see that it is changing. 2, 3, 4, 5. Right? Let's save it again. Now that you've already saved it, you have the option now to go to the first record, go to the last record, go to the middle record by typing it in, and then if you want to merge it in one document, all you have to do is click on edit individual documents here, click on finish and merge, and then edit individual documents and click it here, and then just click all, or choose whichever record you want to choose, like say 1 to 3 only, or 1 to 3 only, and then click on OK. But for this process, I'm going to click on all, and there it goes. It opens a new document that has a file name letters1, which includes all of the recipients together and merged with the form letter. Alright, I'm going to close this one. I'm not going to save it, but right now you can also choose to print it and do the same thing. Alright, this is Mail Merge, and I hope you learned something for this lesson. Thank you very much for watching.